Hello, Aiden. So, for whatever reason, my last video had no sound, and now I am super annoyed because that was a particularly man, I can't speak. But anyway, that was a good one, or one of my better ones. I don't know if it was good, but yeah. So I'm gonna try to remember what I. Dang it, Aiden! You can't keep texting like this. Man, okay. So, first thing, I have a lot of things going on. I have theater and football at the same time, so I have to run back and forth. That was what this was in the thing. So, I do that. I got my Hello Sweet Gun, my Hello Cool Back thing, and my whatever I said in my other video. I think oh yeah, I did the water bucket challenge 3 times. One time I didn't do it right. Second time I didn't do it right. Third time I haven't done it yet. Doing it today. But yeah, so let's hope this one has sound. Otherwise I will smack someone.